Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, DL Tech, Dominzi Loaded Tech, as you all know. So I'll be showing you how you can turn off your Smartband 7, your Mi Smartband 7. As you all know, the Mi Smartband 7 does not have any external button, like no button around it. Most of you don't know how to turn it on. You can check my previous video to know how to turn it on if you just go to new Mi Band. So how do you turn this off? If you're not using it, you want to turn it off. It's very simple. So just go with me. Go to your settings on the Mi Band. Swipe up, then enter settings. So in your settings, move down to system. System, yes, click on system. You see the about, regulatory, restart. You will see shutdown. So you click on shutdown. So that is it. It turns off on its own. Immediately you click it, you can see my Smartband has turned off. So thank you so much for watching. Do well to share the video, like, comment if you have any problem with your Mi Smartband 7, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.